So, dirita sa atong mga ay adto anay day ko dito sa amon mga doctors kay paggahuman. Ma'am, anong masasabi mo sa ating medical mission kaganina pag ini siya nag kay ga-coordinate na siya sa amon mga needs dire. Ano gani pangalan mo, ma'am?
Mimi Joy Habilosa.
Si Ma'am Joy Habilosa. Kung ma'am, ano masasabi mo?
It was very organized and the flow is really very good. And it's a very successful medical mission for this year anniversary of the college, and at the same time a very good social responsibility of the college to the community. Okay, and there are lots of young people, young children who can avail, especially the dental and the circumcision procedure. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
God bless you, ma'am. Okay.